This is a beautiful 1959 Chevy Impala Sport Coupe. Beautiful red and white combination. The car is so familiar to Chevy enthusiasts. It marked a amazing departure from previous styling. Notice the very colorful interior. This car has automatic transmission. Great visibility all around. And of course those fabulous fins with the remarkable taillights. You know, Chrysler Corporation made a splash with their forward look, but it's my contention that this was every bit as amazing as the forward look was. Notice how the back bumper is in 3 sections. Now this car is just really, it's like it came from the showroom. Amazing. A 6 or V8 was standard, and 2717 for the V8.